Okay, we're over here at Candler, the storage garage. Just a bunch of miscellaneous material we'll be able to use somewhere, I'm sure. Some doors. Bunch of miscellaneous things. Hopefully that's that siding that you were talking about in that email. This is a furnace. I'm not sure if it works, but it's at least part of a furnace. And here's another one. We'll figure out a dishwasher and a range. Some paint. Wonder what that does go to, Dad. Wonder what that does. If that works or not. Air conditioner. Looks like some cabinet pieces. Flexible ductwork and some miscellaneous fixtures. A little bit of roofing tiles, windows, etc. So, okay, just to give you an idea.